Hi, this is Sasha. I want to show you how to get sleek style my way with a Pro Artist dual plate salon flat iron. So as a stylist, I'm always looking for tools that perform better. This flat iron is designed with 2 plates, and it makes a big difference. First of all, you can customize the temperature on each plate. I'll set Lexi's higher on the right and a little lower on the left for her thick hair. Next, I prep hair, section, and start at the back. Then I just clamp a 1 to 2 inch section and pull down slowly. So I always aim to keep my client's hair healthy, and 2 plates means it's faster. So I get sleeker results in just 1 pass, which means less damage overall. I add a little finishing touch, and done. Sleek style and a smoother finish.